It is said that the world is a book and those who do not travel read only a page. Being a commoner, I wish to see the other pages also. So I plan to visit the places of my country. A place means its people, culture, food, history, and scenic beauty. This time, we'll be exploring Varanasi and Lucknow, two cities in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Benares is older than history, older than tradition, older even than legend, and looks twice as old as all of them put together, said by Mark Twain. According to Hindu mythology, the land on the banks of rivers Varuna and Asi, founded by Lord Shiva around 5000 years ago, named Varanasi. Varanasi, the land of goddess and Hinduism, as if the time has come to a freeze here. Most of the streets in the Varanasi you will find crowdy and chaotic, and in the gully of the Kashi you will feel the age of the city. Manikarnika Ghat is the main burning ghat of Varanasi, and the people are thought to be fortunate to be burnt here after their death.
24 hours cremation is going on here. Sometimes multiple pyres are set to continue at a time, and after the cremation, ashes are brought here to dispose of in the Ganges river.
Boat ride is a must to get a spectacular view of the ghats of the Varanasi. Each set of steps into the river are called a ghat, and every ghat has its own story. Visiting to the ghats and listening to the stories, you will definitely reach to those ancient times.
The river water goes very high in the July-August month, and some of the ghats and temples are underwater then. Some of the buildings or places on the ghats are used as the luxurious hotels, but one cannot reconstruct anything here to preserve the heritage value. Some of the buildings' foundations are even more than 1000 years old. There are 80 ghats along the river of the Ganges at Varanasi. But no doubt, the Dashashwamedh Ghat has the most spectacular ghat of this all. According to legend, Lord Brahma sacrificed 10 horses during Ashwamedh Yagya performed here. Whenever you travel a place, leave the place as beautiful as it was. Do not litter it with your trash and waste. Remember, the people living in that place have to bear with your waste garbage.
Undoubtedly, the evening Aarti of Mother Ganges is a lifetime experience. Thousands of people gather at Dashashwamedh Ghat to see it.
अस्यस्मिन् गङ्गा सेवाधिसत्त्वावधाने गङ्गा महाआरती वेलायां वयं सर्वे जम्भूय मातरं गङ्गां शुचिं निर्मलं च करतु सङ्कल्पं गृणीमः प्रतिज्ञां च कुर्मः ॐ यज्ञाग्रदो दूरमुदैतिरैवं साधु दुःखस्यादैवैः पूरङ्गमञ्ज्योतिमाञ्ज्योतिरे कण्ठन्मे मनः
Venaras has another glorious part of Ganga Aarati in the dawn. You must visit Assi Ghat as they are organized one such program every morning. In the morning, very early, we feel the energy within and the inner freshness, which in turn enhance your inner peace. The Ghats of the Varanasi are one such place on earth to feel the sacredism. And the best part of the Benaras is Subah Benaras with a morning Tulsi tea. A morning walk along the Ghats will make you feel the soul of the Varanasi. Lots of people doing morning bathing and offering to the sun.
এইটা দিয়ে না
In Vaishkashi, Ramnagar Fort was built in 17th century, which was the home for the king of Varanasi for a period of 400 years. The fort has now been converted to a museum within it. You can observe the things used by the Maharajas in that period. Tulsi Manas Temple, Sankat Motion Temple, Durga Temple, Bharat Mata Temple, and lots of other temples are there in Benares. You have to spare a day for a temple tour in Varanasi, and Sarnath is the most popular of them certainly.
ब्रिटिश टाइम में इस टेम्पल को बनाया गया था और बनाने वाले का नाम है वी था। तो फिर उसके बाद इन्होंने इस ब्रिटिश टाइम में इस टेम्पल को बनाने के बाद यहाँ से चले गए थे, हर जगहों पे प्रचार किया था लास्ट चाइना में। और इसके अंदर जो प्रवेश करेंगे मूर्ति देखेंगे लॉकिंग बुद्ध की मूर्ति, तो चाइनीज भी लॉकिंग बुद्ध को बहुत मानते हैं। पीछे साइड में जो मूर्ति है गौतम बुद्ध की है। अभी हम बताते हैं बुद्ध का 4 प्लेसेस मेन है। पहला है मुंबई नेपाल, दूसरा प्लेस है बोधगया बिहार। बोधगया बिहार में पीपल ब्रिज के नीचे भगवान बुद्ध को ज्ञान मिला था। बुद्ध ने जंगल में आने के बाद प्रथम उपदेश हुआ और इस जगह से चले गए तो कुशीनगर में जाने के बाद भगवान बुद्ध का ध्यान किया ये देखिए। और अभी थोड़ा एक चीज़ और बता रहे हैं। बुद्ध ने जिस जगह पे फर्स्ट लेक्चर को दिया था उसी जगह पे सम्राट अशोक ने कलिंग लड़ने के बाद बौद्ध धर्म को अपनाया और उन्होंने जगह जगह पे जाकर स्थित इस टेम्पल को बनाया। ये जो सामने देख रहे हैं आपको सारनाथ का बौद्ध स्तूप है, जो पहले स्थित नहीं था। इस जगह पे बुद्ध ने उपदेश को दिया था, पहले स्थित नहीं था। ये महाराजा अशोक थे, 1, 2 थे और एक अलग अलग समय के लिए बौद्ध स्तूप, बाद में इसको गवर्नमेंट ने मेंटेनेंस कर दिया। रेवनीचना गरीब ब्रह्मपास श्रीलंका के रहने वाले हैं। इनका जन्म श्रीलंका में हुआ था। गांव का नाम है अनुराधापुरम और ये श्रीलंका के साधु हैं। इन्होंने साधु होने के पश्चात विदेशों में भी जाकर बुद्धिज्म का प्रचार किया था और फिर उसके बाद इन्होंने कोलकाता में जाने के बाद महाबोधि सोसाइटी बना जी। महाबोधि सोसाइटी बनाने के बाद ये काशी देखने के लिए आया था। आखिर में काशी में है क्या, तो काशी से 10 किलोमीटर आउटसाइड भी इस जगह पे आने के बाद देखा यहाँ पे केवल सारनाथ का बौद्ध स्तूप था। तो उन्होंने सोचा कि अलग अलग जगहों से डोनेशन को लिया। डोनेशन लेने के बाद धर्मपाल ने इस जगह पे आने के बाद इस मंदिर को बनाया। इस मंदिर का नाम है मूलगंध कुटी विहार। जो रियल मूलगंध कुटी विहार जो महाराजा अशोक के टाइम बनाया गया था उसको मुगल टाइम में तोड़ दिया जी, उसी के नाम से इसको बनाया गया है। अब आपको दिखाएंगे सारनाथ का बौद्ध स्तूप, फिर उसके बाद ये नहीं सकते।
क्या होगा?
At a distance of 120 km in Allahabad, Prayag is the famous place for Kumbh Mela at an interval of 12 years which happens. It is the place of confluence of Ganges, Jamuna and Saraswati river. it is always been a multicultural city that flourished in the 18th and 19th centuries. During the reign of Nawabs, the Lucknow was an important center of governance, administration, education, commerce, finance, technology, culture, music, poetry, and tourism. It is situated on the northwest shore of the Gomti River. Undoubtedly, the Bada Imam Bara is the most famous visiting place at Lucknow, but no cameras are allowed inside.
गेट की खासियत जब फोटो खींचकर उल्टा करके देखते हैं, गले का नेकलेस 9 का हार लगेगा।
Adjacent to Rumi Darwaja, 221 feet high clock tower was built in 1881 to mark the arrival of First Lieutenant Government of United Province of Awadh. It was built as a replica to the Big Ben Clock Tower of London.
हैवी काज के साथ
हेवी कास्ट
जी। और इसमें एक आता है मलमल कपड़ा होता है, इसको वॉशिंग में स्टार्च नहीं लगाना पड़ता।
If you have not taken biryani, kebabs and famous street foods of Lucknow, your tour has not been completed. Situated at Kaiser Bagh Residency, a group of several ancient buildings. It served as the residence of the British Resident General, which was built in 1800 AD by then Nawab Sadat Ali Khan. Bullets and cannons razed the buildings down during the Sepoy Mutiny in 1857, and what left today is the reminiscence of the buildings. Another architectural wonder is the Chota Imambara, which is congregation hall built by Muhammad Ali Shah in 1838 as the tomb of his own daughter.